One of my favorite strategies for using the MDX algo indicators is actually quite a simple one that I use to help identify which way the market is trending, or when the trend may be reversing when looking to crush some trades. So the W's you see on my chart are the reversal warnings on the MDX algo 3. That's just this setting right here, reversal warning, that's these orange W's. And they can be so helpful in just identifying which way a trend is moving, which provides me with strong confluence when looking for trade setups. So all I'm basically looking for is just which way these W's are trending, and that goes for both the bearish ones on top and the bullish ones on bottom. You can see that they are just identifying that we're setting lower lows. These W's are just trending lower. Same with the bearish ones, they're just obviously trending lower as well. So just really helping identify which way the trend is going. This is just an ideal setup right here. Just a beautiful scalp setup. Yes, this is just a 1 minute, but a perfect example of the strategy I use. Just looking for those lower W's to come in if I'm looking for a short setup. So we have our W here, and we have a lower one here. We have the bullish ones obviously setting lower lows, so we can see that beautiful trending market there. So that's just a beautiful entry right there. And to go with these W's trending in that direction, we also got this reversal warning right as we were testing the moving average here. And in a perfect world, when all the indicators line up, here's a perfect example. Again, that same setup actually. The oscillator 4 up here, we have a bearish pivot, as well as the oscillator 5 down here. We have this big red overbought condition dot here. So just lining up beautiful with that reversal warning. And then as well, like I mentioned, just spotting a reversal. So here you can see that all of a sudden we get this higher high on the bearish reversal warning there. Just a bit of a warning shot, not necessarily confirming that it's bullish yet, but then all of a sudden we get a higher low as well. And just look at that market. We just keep getting slightly higher highs on these W's trending to the upside, and just a beautiful trending market once again. And then you can see once again, get these just lower lows. Even though they're the bullish ones, they are setting lower lows, just warning that the trend may be flipping to the downside there. And you can see that we never really got any for the top bearish warnings there, but you can see that they were still pointing out a very bearish trend here. Here would be another example. Just beautiful seeing that, okay, you know what, we had this little bit of a warning, but not taking it all too serious, because our bullish ones are still just setting lower lows, so there's not really a confirmed uptrend here. In fact, we just end up then getting a lower low, or a lower high rather, on the bearish pivot here. Once again, right along that moving average, just a beautiful play there. Once again, lining up with the oscillator 5, we're getting those bearish divergences on the oscillator 4. So beautiful to see the indicators lining up together. Just absolutely beautiful call. But yeah, the main thing that I've been using recently is just these W's, looking for them to point out a trend for me basically. Same thing, once again guys, you just see these W's, just lower high, lower high, lower high. Same with on the bottom, obviously lower lows. Just you can see an obvious direction of that these W's are trending. And I actually used this to take a bit of a scalp short right before making this video actually. And that was right at this level. You can see that we had these warnings here where our lows are just getting lower. And as well, we did have this, you can see that we set a lower high here. If you're using this strategy, I mean, me personally, I keep my stop loss above my previous one. So if you had a stop loss somewhere up here and just kind of laddering in, you get your warning here and just kind of laddering in up towards your stop loss, you can usually get quite a good entry on that kind of a position. I actually waited until we got this one, because I waited for the reversal warning to also line up with this moving average here. You can see it once again, the oscillator 4 up here at a bearish pivot, oscillator 5 down here had the big red dot. So once again, the indicators all lining up. We have that bearish trend confirmed with these W's. So just a beautiful setup, you guys. So yeah, I just really wanted to share this with you guys. I think it's such a powerful strategy and super simple, just using the reversal warnings to point out the trend for you. It's a beautiful thing. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Once again, these W's pointing out some beautiful little trends for scalping. I use these indicators every single day, and if you're interested to try them out too, I do have a referral link down below. Not only does that get you my favorite indicators, but that also gets you into MDX Crypto's VIP Discord group, where there's several coaches like myself doing live streams pretty much daily. That also gains you access into the trading course here, and of course the legend board, which can earn you a little extra free crypto. So if you guys appreciated this video, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and with that, I'm out. Stay safe, my friends. Peace.